Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create custom report type in Salesforce. So let's proceed and learn about report type in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a report type is a template that defines the object and fields available for a report. It acts as a framework for generating reports by specifying the relationship between objects like accounts, contacts, opportunity, etc., and the fields that can be included in the reports. Report type defines what data users can view and report on, and they help in organizing and managing the data reporting process efficiently. Now let's move ahead and discuss about how to create custom report type in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. So firstly we click on the gear icon for creating the custom report type and select the setup option and our setup homepage is open. Here I enter the report type in the quick find box and select the report types that is present under the analytics and it will redirect us to the custom report type page. Custom report types allows you to build a framework in the report wizard from which user can create and customize reports. You build custom report type of the relationship, master detail and lookup between objects so that you can choose which object to display to user creating and customizing reports. Define the relationship between the objects display to the user creating and customizing reports. Select which objects fields can be used as a column in reports. Now scroll down. Note that the visibility of the custom report type in the report wizard is controlled by user access to the objects in the report type. Now select the continue button to move forward. Now here in the all custom report type page, we can see the list of custom reports which I have created earlier. But this time I create a new report type. So for this, I click on the new custom report type button. Now enter the details related to the custom report type. So firstly, focus on the primary object. Specify what type of the reports rows will be focused of reports generated by this report type. So we click on the drop down arrow of the primary object and here we select the accounts object and then scroll down. Now identification report type label and here we enter the report type label as a account details and then report type name which is automatically generated. Note the description will be visible to the user who creates reports. Now enter the description and here we enter the description as details of account. After entering the description, now store in the category field. Click on the drop down arrow and here we are selecting the category as accounts and contacts. Now scroll down. There is a development section. A report type will be developed. Status is available for use in the report wizard. While in the development, record type are visible only to the authorized administrator and their delegates. This time, development status is in develop and then we hit the next button. So now here you can see the account is shown as a primary object and you can select any other object related to with this object. And for example, you are creating a report type like account with a contact object and you can select an object also. So we click on this option and here we select the object, click on the drop down arrow and here we select the object as a contacts and then click on the save button. And here we go, we can see our custom report type account detail is created successfully. And here we can also edit, delete and clone this report type by simply clicking on the edit, delete and clone button. So with this, we have successfully created the report type in Salesforce Lightning. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.